Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Oppo Reno 7 Lite, and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and here we have to switch to the photo mode. Now let's tap on this 2 dots icon in the right upper corner in order to open the bar with the settings. And as you can see here on the second position, we've got the timer option. We've got 3 different options. Currently the timer is off. As you can see, this clock icon is highlighted in this orange color, and we can set 3 or 10 seconds delay. So let me pick 10 seconds delay, for example. As you can see, it is immediately highlighted. What's more, inside the shutter button we can check for how long we've set the countdown. So let's tap on the shutter button, and as you can see, from now on your device will count down from 10, and after that time it will take a photo. Of course, it will work the same with 3 seconds delay, but obviously it will count down from 3, and after turning off the timer, your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So actually this is it. This is how to set camera timer in your Oppo Reno 7 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.